Okay, this is right away Forex. The more you learn, the more you earn. So now we are going to talk about price action, where you understand how you can analyze the market by using support and resistance. Okay, now we are in the monthly time frame. Yeah, monthly time, this weekly time frame, this daily time frame. Yes. So now, when you want to analyze a market, first of all, you have to start putting support and resistance in the bigger time frame so that you can find the levels and the levels. This is a zone. This is a zone. You can see this is a key support level. Yeah, same like this. This is a dynamic support, and this key support level acts like support and resistance. So now let's see where the market is going. Yes, as you can see, the market has already started a new trend. Yeah, has already started a new trend because the trend line has been broken in a monthly time frame, which means the market has started a new trend. So as you can see, from 2007 July, the market is starting drop down. So when you are normally try to use this kind of small time frame, which is known that when you are using this small time frame, you can get much noise because you don't know where the market is going. But it's good sometime to start doing analysis from bigger time frame to lower time frame, so that you can talk with the chart. Is where you'll be able to know where there's a zone, something like that. So can you imagine from 2007 July up to 2020, the market has made a long time dropping down. Market is spent long time dropping. So now we are facing how the market is going to go up there. So now we have a zone here. Let me mark this zone so that you can understand this limit. Okay, now we have already seen that the market has already broken trend line. So now, because here down here we have chart pattern which is called W, or you can call it double bottom. So when the market has already made double bottom like this and try to break trend line, the probability is going up. Yes, this is what we call turning point. Yes, turning point. Now we are expecting the market to go up. So let us see in the weekly time frame. As you remember, in the monthly we have seen that the market is going to start a bullish reversal. So as you can see, in a weekly time frame, so we're still having monthly zone. So knowing that when the market will reach on this point, the market will reversal. So we normally, when we are trading, so we have to use 3 time frame, because we normally have setup, confirmation, entry. So let us just try to look at our entry in day time frame. Yes, in day time frame. So now we are expecting to to see Euro USD when it will come to get on this one and then make what we call a pullback. Yeah, the market will come down. The market will come down. As you remember, in a weekly time frame, in a monthly time frame, we have seen the market has already broken a trend line. So now we expect the market will do reversal, will make something like this, then go. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to do subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you can continue following us, because we just have for you many things. As you continue following us, I know there is something you will get new in your mind. So of course we want to open somehow your eyes how you can look at the market. Ciao.